Hello students, how are you? Today I am here with another question. The configuration at the two stereocenter in the compound given below are. So here this compound can be numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the carbon 1 has 4 different group attached to it. So it is a stereogenic center, as well as in carbon 4 there are 4 different group attached to it. So carbon 4 is also a stereogenic center. So in C1, the priority sequence of this group can be determined by CIV rule, and we can see here the priority sequence will be so CH3 group will have lowest priority. CH3 group will have lowest priority. So according to determine the RS configuration, we have to keep the lowest priority group away from our eye. So if we see this molecule in this way, then the CH3 is away from our eye and our eye is rotating. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So our eye is rotating 1, 2, 3 in clockwise direction. So the stereocenter 1 has configuration R, while in case of C2 C4, the priority sequence will be CH here the hydrogen is the lowest priority group, and this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 1, 2, 3. So let's say that here the hydrogen is above the plane. Let's assume that the hydrogen is below the plane. So if the hydrogen is below the plane, then if we see in this way, then our eye rotate from highest to lower priority group 1, 2, 3 in anti-clockwise direction. When the hydrogen is below the plane and we are seeing in this way, it is anti-clockwise direction. So the configuration should be as anti-clockwise direction, but as the hydrogen is above the plane, so it must have opposite configuration, that is it will have configuration R. So we have 1R, 4R. So option 1 is correct. If you have any doubt regarding this priority sequence, please let me know in comment box. So the priority sequence of the 4 group is OH will have higher priority, then CH double bond, CH bond, CH2 whole 3 pH greater than CH3 greater than H. So if here the hydrogen is above the plane, and to determine the configuration we have to keep the lowest priority group, that is hydrogen, away from our eyes. So if we see in this direction, that is above the plane, and keep hydrogen below the plane, then the rotation of eye will be 1, 2, 3, that is clockwise direction. But then the hydrogen is below the plane, but in actual case the hydrogen is above the plane. So for clockwise direction it will be R, but as the hydrogen is above the plane, it will be S. So the configuration will be 2S, and here the priority sequence of these two group, it has higher priority than hydrogen, and between these two group it has higher priority than a hydrogen, and the two higher prior group are in opposite direction, so it is E. It is 3E. So 2S3E, 2S3E, this option will be correct. If you have any doubt regarding this video, please let me know. Here is another question. The two compounds given below are, these two compounds, enantiomers, identical diastereomers or regioisomers. So which will be the answer? So enantiomers, what are enantiomers? Enantiomers have mirror image relationship. That is, the two compounds will be mirror images of each other. But if we see here that if we placed a mirror between these two isomers, we can see that methyl is here above the plane, where it is below the plane, where the hydrogen is below the plane and it is above the plane. So these two does not have mirror image relationship. So these two are not enantiomers. Here the interatomic connectivity between all these atoms are similar, so these are not regioisomers. So it may be either identical or diastereomers. Two compounds do not have mirror image relationship, may be a diastereomer. These two compounds may be diastereomer or identical. It can be confirmed if we determine the configuration of these two stereogenic center in these two compounds. Let's say this one, we can see here that for this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 1, 2, 3. So it is rotating in anti-clockwise direction, but the methyl group is above the plane. If the methyl group is below the plane, it is anti-clockwise direction, so the configuration should be S, but as the methyl group should be below the plane, so the configuration will be R. And here for this, the priority sequence is, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 1, 2, 3. So it is in anti-clockwise direction and hydrogen is below the plane, so it should be S. Whereas in case of this molecule, the priority sequence will be, this is 1, 2, 3, rotating in clockwise direction and methyl is below the plane, so it is R. And in case of this stereogenic center, the priority sequence is, it will have 1, 2, 3 in clockwise direction, so should be R, but as the hydrogen should be below the plane, so its configuration will be S. So we can see here that these two isomers have similar configuration, RS, RS. So these two are identical, not diastereomers. The option 2 is correct. If you have any doubt regarding the priority sequence, please let me know in comment box. Thank you. Have a good day.